So I want you to pay very close attention to these money that you see on the screen. Look at this. You got like $5 over here. You got $1. You got and this is living proof. This is proof. These are payment proof that people are actually making money on this particular website. So say no more. If you got Litecoin, you got Pioneer and Perfect Money, you can get paid. So if you're into the cryptocurrency, you can get some cryptocurrency just by visiting this particular website. So I'm going to share with you the name of the website. I'm going to walk you through the entire process because these are payments that members and people who sign up are getting paid right now. So if it's your first time here to my YouTube channel, I want to say welcome. My name is Andre. I create brand new videos. So make sure you like, subscribe, become a part of the family because every time I create a brand new video, if you're subscribed and you turn on all notification, you're going to get a notification right away, and all you have to do is just click on it and don't miss out because the people that click on the notification right away, they get the first preference and they're the first ones that gonna get all the new information. So make sure you stay tuned and you watch it all the way to the end. So which website is paying out all these type of monies, right? As you can see, lots of payment proofs, and there's people all over the world. So the particular name of the website is called ptshare.com. So go to ptshare.com, and I don't want you to head on over there right now because you're going to have no idea what I'm doing. So walk with me and stay with me through the end of this video because if you don't do this properly, you're not going to be able to make this type of money. So make sure you watch this video. So the first thing that you want to do, you want to sign up. So click on where it says sign up. And right here, you want to create an account. So all you have to do is just choose a username. So whatever username that you want to put in, create a password that you can remember. And you're going to repeat the password over here. Make sure you put a valid email address right here and also an email address. Because the reason why, if you just put a fake email address and they send you the notification and the code, and if it's not match up to all these things, guess what? They're going to kick you off. You want to put on here that you're not a robot and you want to agree to the terms and the services. If you want to read the terms and services, I highly recommend you do that as well. So step number 2, the next step, what you're going to be doing is you're going to go straight to your email. So as you can see, this is my username that I put right here, and you're going to complete your activation and your registration. You can either click on this link right here, or you could just copy this entire thing, you put it into a new browser, and then it's just going to take you there. After you activate it, this is step number 3. So stay with me. Once you do that, step number 3, you want to make sure that you log in. So you want to click on where it says log in. And then once you click on it, and then you put it in right here, you put your email address in, you want to click on saying, I'm not a robot, and you want to make sure that you log in. Here it says, welcome to PTC Share. You just earned 100 BAPs as welcome bonus. So they're just giving you as bonuses so you can skip through the entire thing. You could see how everything is set up. If you want to do that, not a problem. If you just want to go straight to it, you could do that also. Now, this is a fresh and it's a brand new account. So of course, you're not going to see any money showing up here because on the dashboard, which is the dashboard right here, you could see where you can claim, you could start claim bonuses. So you can claim bonuses by clicking on this, and you can claim your bonuses. Once you claim your bonuses, you can put your campaign name, your description, verify. They always want to make sure that you verify everything. Now, this particular website, there's so many different ways of making money. So that's why this is going to be step number 4, right? So step number 4, you could go here where it says earn. You can either view some ads. So you can click on here, you can view ads. And if you go right here, you could see this is 1 cent already. So if I want to view this ad, I could just do it so you could see that this is working. You can come on here. All they want you to do is just basically just go through the different ads. There's people on here. You can click on where it says add a clicker. You can click on where it says confirm, right? You can click on the eye, click or touch the eye. Click on here, click on confirm. So that's what you want to do. they're going to tell you to do a simple little task, and all you have to do is complete it. So you've successfully earned 0.97 in cash. Now you can either close the window or you could click on the next ad. Now click on here to touch the car. Click on there, click there. So these are just simple little things that you could do. All you're doing is you're clicking and you're earning simple little things. Click on the next ad. If I click on this, where it says click on the 10th, that is the 10th, click on confirm, it's going to show me, see how much money. So I can go on or I can just close the window. So let me just close the window and you could see right there. It didn't even take me less than 15 seconds to do that, right? But it does add up. So that's not the only way of making money. That's just one way. You can click on here. You can go to the offer walls. You can go to the surveys. You could go to the videos. You could go to PT, and you can even click on where it says click grid. Now on the click grid, you can even make more money using the click grid. For some reason, they pay a little bit more in here. So it's a position one-on-one. You can go on here and you could click on to win, and you could just click this grid, right? Chances 20, all right? You can click on some grid. You can click on the ping pong. You can confirm. It's going to go to the next ad. So basically what this particular website, they're like a rev share, and what they want to do, they're going to be using their platform to advertise multiple different companies and different things. So that's how they pay, because companies go on here and that's how they get paid. So if I can click on here, I could click play again if I want to, but it's not required. Now on here where it says grid, you can go on the PTC, you can go on videos, you can go on surveys, right? So in order for you to even make more money and you want to crush it on this particular thing, this particular website, what I would recommend is where you click on where it says refer friend. So if you look on here, you could see the commissions that you're going to be doing, because here's the thing. If you don't want to click all the time, you could refer a friend and you can even make money. So this is going to be your referral code. This is your referral link, right? You want to make sure that your referral link is there. They should put your username at the end of it. So click copy this. And once you copy it, you can look at the commission log. You can look at the top referrals. You could paid for it and all that. Now, what we're going to be doing, we're going to be getting more people and inviting. So now we're not going to be chasing friends or family. That's not what we're going to be doing. You're not going to go spam your friend and family. Now, the website that you want to go is, here's one particular website. So this is one website, and these are bonuses that I want to share with you. You can go onto Facebook and you can find these Make Money Online groups. So these Make Money Online groups, there's so many people in there. There's huge potential. There's over 90,000 people in here. This one, there's over 33,000 people. There's 16,000. There's 7,000 people, 43,000. So you can go on here and you can share ideas. Now, you're not going to go spam your link, but you can create what we call an engagement post, right? An engagement post, and I'll show you what it looks like. So if I go inside of this group right now and I can create an engagement post. An engagement post could be something like, I'd be like, what if I could share with you a free website that will make you money? Comment money below. So you could do that, right? Now, let me change that, comment money below. So, of course, this particular website is not going to get you super rich. It's not going to be life-changing, but it's something that you could do, because most times, majority of you are sitting through social media. You're going through social media. You're watching a lot of TikTok videos. Why not just come on here and just click on through some ads? If you got kids in your family members or friends, you can let them click on some ads and learn some things and earn a little bit of money. So once you post this on here, what's going to happen? People are going to be commenting. People are going to be doing these things. And all you have to do is just give them your affiliate link. Now, another particular website that you can go on Twitter, right? You can go on Twitter and you can do a lot of tweets, or you can make money, search make money online. We can find these posts, make money online posts, because there's so many of them. Look at these. People already posting stuff. Now, what I'll do on these threads, I'll just go in here and I'll just put my affiliate link. Now, you're not going to spam it. You can say, hey, here's a great way how you can make a little bit of money. And all these people that are talking about making money online, I'll reply to their tweet and I'll put my affiliate link as well. So these are two great websites that you can go and you can crush it. With these particular websites, you can get people to sign up for you through your referral program. And guess what? You're going to be able to make this type of money on autopilot and just make some free commission. So I hope this video helps. I didn't want to make it too long, but I just wanted to get straight to the point, and I hope I walk you through it. So make sure, subscribe to the YouTube channel and make sure you stay tuned because I always create videos. So click and earn free money from this free website. I'll talk to you soon. Peace.